Nothing says September like the phrase keep calm. Hi, I'm Joanne from Soulful Sister Aromatherapy, and today we're going to talk about essential oils for keeping calm during your September month. You know, if you're part of a family, really September 1st is looked upon as the new year. We have resolutions, we have new classes to go to, maybe new schools and new friends. So it's just like this time of new things, and with new things comes a little bit of stress, some anxiety, some overwhelm, depending on who you are, but it seems like a lot of us have a lot of these emotions to deal with. In come essential oils that are perfect for helping us on these bumpy roads of life where these emotions swell up in us, and we can really turn to some of these great essential oils to help us. In our Keep Calm blend, we use orange, lavender, cedarwood atlas, or it's called cedarwood atlantica, and vetiver. So the vetiver and cedarwood are specific to your nervous system, and they swaddle your nervous system. They just calm it right down. So when you're feeling overwhelmed, those help you feel grounded. Lavender, well, we know lavender is relaxing, and the orange in here is a really happy, antidepressant, calming oil, loved by young and old alike. And in fact, this blend is made for kids to the elderly. Everybody seems to enjoy the aroma of this. So this is the roll-on of Keep Calm, which means we've got the essential oil in a carrier oil, making it safe to apply to your body. So you take the roll-on, roll it on your wrists and temples, and then what we do is just hold our wrists together so the oil's absorbing into your bloodstream that way, and then take a couple deep inhales. Do that like 3 or 4 times. This triggers your brain. It goes right into your body. Oh, it feels so good. It feels calming to your body. Wonderful to use anytime you feel overwhelm, anxiety, symptoms of ADD, focus, whether you don't want to get on a busy bus or just stressful day or anything like that. Wonderful to take with you. Keep Calm comes in a diffuser blend, so you can use this at home or work in your diffuser. And the other way it comes is you can put the essential oil on your diffuser bracelet, a couple drops of the Keep Calm oil, and then you can smell it for days off your bracelet. So wonderful for students or for anybody at work or during transit or anytime you just need to breathe in a little calm. We all need that sometimes. So just one way, one blend to use a calming essential oil for this month of change and transition. This is a great one to go to. I hope you love this, and I hope you love your essential oils.